Those are the 5 ingredients, very simple, that I put into a bottle to start my journey of creativity. If they're any use to you, you take them. You start, you want to be innovative? It doesn't land on your doorstep. You can't suddenly be creative. You need something to get you there. Inspiration. You want to be innovative and creative, and you want to find that one thing that you're brilliant at, you're going to have to go and find inspiration. That's not in museums or books. It may be for some. I don't care where it is, but start. Start and do it for 21 days, 20 minutes a day. Dedicate yourself to find inspiration, something that makes you think differently. And I promise you, 21 days, that's what it takes to become a habit. Your creativity, your business, your thought process, your teams will change. I've tested it time and time and time again. I've tested it with kids in school. I've tested it with dyslexics. I've gone into, you name it, I've done it. I've gone into Apple. I've gone into banks. Think, if you want to be creative, you have to get up off your butt and go find something that inspires you to be able to do it.